Hi guys. Today's a new day, and it's kind of rainy out, but I built a new ramp, and I'm gonna try to test it out. See if I get hurt a little bit. See if I don't get hurt a little bit. So watch it all the way, so that way you can remember these memories forever. As you can see, I fell down because I didn't have it right, so I got a little hurt, but it's okay. At least I didn't get hurt. I think I need to get a new ramp. Nice wood in a cardboard box.
Sister, no.
I have a lot of
Sissy.
cardboard boxes. So look. Oh, this doesn't fall like last time. This to go perfect. If I don't do this, I will have to pay my dad $100. So I better do this. Hey, I'm about to do it. I don't know if I can do it. Yeah, yeah! Oh, you wondering why my hair's wet? Because I got rain on it.
3.
Hey guys, I'm gonna take you to the Florida skate park. I hope you like it. Bye.